హాయ్ గైస్, నేను మీ అనిల్. ఈ వీడియోలో లాస్ట్ లూపింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ వీ విల్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, బట్ వన్ లాస్ట్ లూపింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ దేర్. సో ఫర్ అన్నది మనకు తెలుసు, ఫర్ తర్వాత వైల్, ఆ తర్వాత డూ వైల్. బేసిక్గా ఫర్ అండ్ వైల్ బోత్ looks same. So basically it will take initialization and then it will check the condition and then execute the block and then do the increment and then go back and check the condition. But in do while it does a bit different way. Let's look into that. Before that, if you want to check previous videos, please do click here, so you'll get to know all the previous videos that we have made. And without wasting time, let's get into it. So here I have shown the syntax. The syntax is very simple. For while తీసుకుంటే, before you enter into the loop, so the condition will be checked. Here it doesn't happen that way. You just look at the syntax. Do, so మనకు do బ్లాక్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఆ బ్లాక్ తర్వాత మనం ఇవన్నీ ఏమైతే మనం స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలనుకుంటామో వాటన్నింటినీ ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసాం. ఆ తర్వాత లాస్ట్లో ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేసాం. ఇన్ సమ్ కేసెస్ కొన్నిసార్లు ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, మనకు ఫస్ట్ లూప్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యి ఆ తర్వాత ఆ పని అంతా అయిన తర్వాత లాస్ట్ చెక్ చేసి ఒకవేళ అది ట్రూ అయినా ఫాల్స్ అయినా బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ యూ టేక్ అ డెసిషన్ అనే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు. సో దెర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ దట్ వీ కెన్ బ్రింగ్ ఇట్ అప్ లేటర్, బట్ ఫర్ నౌ వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ many things. We will just see the syntax, how it works and how does it look like. So that's what we are going to do. And after this, there are few interesting topics after this looping statement. So what I'm going to do is something like arrays. If you already know, arrays is a beautiful concept again, so that we will talk about. And then the functions. So the functions, right now you might have seen only main function, right? So apart from it, what functions that we have? I'm not talking about the library functions like printf, scanf or math functions. I wanted to talk about the customized functions, which means that you can write a function and then call them. And the third thing is strut and union. So these are the four important things that you will be learning very soon. So anyhow, let's get into it. Why I wanted to tell you these are the important topics. Once we finish them, now you can say that you know C language without any doubt. So yeah, it is important that you have to write different kind of programs to it's important to solve challenges that you see online or anywhere, but we will keep a tab on it. But for now, let's learn the concepts, right? Okay, so last time if you have seen this while example, so I will just copy this one and then rename it to do underscore while, right? Do underscore while underscore one. All right, so I've opened this program. So as you saw, right, the syntax was something like the same way. So what we can do is, if you look at the syntax, right, so first expression is same, right? First expression one, and then here do will start. Basically the block will start. At the end we are writing while. So here the condition will be there, right? Or you can write it as expression also. So at the end, if you remember, if you are ending any statement, if it was only curly braces, so we wouldn't have put semicolon. Since the while is ending, since there is a while here, so what we need to do is we'll have to put semicolon here. So that's only the thing. So at the end, here if you observe, there was no semicolon, but here you need to end with semicolon, else it will throw compilation error. Here depends on your program, you will be incrementing or decrementing, that you already know, right? So these are the things. So this is how the expression looks like. Let's go and change this program. So I am not going to tell you different example. Let's do the same example, which is very simple example. And do is started, right? So while, So I'm ending with the semicolon. If you see here, right, if you don't end with the semicolon, this again thinks that, okay, there is a continuation, but technically there is no continuation. That's why you have to end it. So it looks a bit different than the while, right? So this is what I was saying. So here I is equal to 1 is there, but if you remember after initialization, so condition will be checked, but here it is different. It is executing the block and then it will check the condition. If it is true, again it goes back into it, right? And then it will exit until it will exit once the condition becomes false. So which is, let's say I is equal to 11 and then 11 is less than or equal to 10 false, so it will come out. So let me just run this program, Control Shift B. So if you see, so what was that? Do while, right? Do while.exe. It just printed the same thing. So my intention is not show you that, okay, I'm just going to print 1 2 3 numbers. This is just to make sure that you know the syntax of do while. There's nothing much I wanted to cover in this video because there are a lot of other things that we are going to do using do while or for loops. For that reason, I want you to know this syntax very quickly so that you are familiar. So next we will get into arrays, and that is when we will be using all of them again with examples. If there is any doubt, please do comment. I will definitely get back to you. But for now, I will be ending this video here. I hope you like this video. So it is very simple, just to know the syntax. There is nothing much. If you want to know any other things or if I missed anything, please do comment. I will definitely get back to you. I hope you already clicked on like button, and please do subscribe if you haven't done yet. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, have a good day.